Hey everyone, problem of the day is split the array. In the given problem, given an array of integers, the task is to count the number of ways to split given array elements into two non-empty subsets such that the jar of elements of each group is equal. Okay, let's see the example. In the given example is taking an array is containing 1 2 3 and its output is 3. uh, let's first understand this problem. Okay, here we can take an example like array containing 1 2 3. Okay, and if we write the subset of the given array, then it will be like 1 2 3, and if we take two element together, then 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 3 and so on. Okay, but uh, in the problem is mentioned that we need to find or split the given array into two non-empty subsets. Okay, such that the jar of elements of each group is equal. Okay, means we need to split it only two subsets. Okay, then our possible subsets will be like 1 comma 2 comma 3. First one is this, and another possibility is like if we take 2 as individual and 1 comma 3 together, and another one will be like 3 as individual and 1 comma 2 together. Okay, then for the next portion, like of the question is saying we need to check the XOR of elements of each group is equal or not. Okay, for this there is two group, right? In the first group is containing 1 and second group is containing 2 and 3. Okay, then for each group need to calculate the jar. Okay, for the first one, if we calculate the jar, then uh, for this section jar will be 1. Okay, and for this 2 comma 3, then we need to calculate, first we need to convert in the binary of 2 is 10 and for the 3 is 11. Okay, then its jar value will be like 10, means is equal to 1, right? Then is equal to our first group, means uh, our first subset is following our condition. uh, for same approach we can apply on this second. Then for the second is first group is 2 and its XOR is 2 only. Okay, and for the second part is containing two element 1 and 3. Then if we calculate the jar of 1 and 3, then it will be 10, means is equal to 2. Okay, then is also equal to our first group, right? Means is also following our condition. And similarly for the third one, uh, for the third one our first group is 3 and its XOR will be 3, right? And for the 1 comma 2, is also 3, means is also equal to the our first group. Okay, means in that case our possible subsets will be 3, right? Our possible subsets will be 3 in that case. If we take another example like is containing 2 to 2. Okay, then its possible subsets like 2 and another group contain 2 element with 2. Okay, then if we calculate jar of each group, then for the first group is equal to 2, for the second group is equal to 0. Okay, but in this case our first group is not equal to second group. Okay, after XORing, means in that case there is no any possibility to a split. Okay, then in that case is 0 count, 0 subset, right? Okay, uh, now need to go with the syntax. What will be the syntax of this? Then in this case one array is given. Okay, based on the array, first we need to traverse of the array. Okay, from index 0 to n, and after that what we need to do, need to calculate the jar of each element and need to store the jar of previous element also. Okay, then for this we need to take one variable and initialize with 0, and here we can calculate the jar of array of I. Okay, yeah, that's it. And after that simply we need to check our jar is equal to 0. uh, if it is equal to 0, then we need to calculate the uh, count of our subsets. Then our count of subset will be like power of 2 and our size of array -1 only. Yeah, that's it only. Otherwise we need to return 0, like in this case we are returning 0, right? Okay, let's implement this problem. Here first we take one variable and initialize with 0, and then traverse the array. Okay, in this for loop we need to calculate the jar of the current element. Okay, and after that we need to check is equal to 0, then we need to return the total possible subset. Then how to calculate, like math dot power of 2 comma size of array -1. Okay, and need to convert it into int. Because here is saying modulo with 10 to power 9 plus 7, then here we need to take mod of. Okay, and here we can modulo it, and finally return 0. Yeah, that's it. Compile and run. Yeah, it's working fine. Now submit. Yeah, thank you everyone.